Guys, wala na po tayong budget. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ito na naman tayo sa isang game namin ni Kali. Gusto ka dito, Kali?
Filipino phrases used when angry.
Ito yung ano natin, friend natin.
Bahala na.
Ano yun? Ayan.
Whatever.
Whatever, hindi masagot.
Kang makialam.
Don't meddle with my affairs.
It's none of your business.
Alam ko yun eh. Alam ko yun
Ito
eh.
yung papregi natin.
Naiinis ako.
I'm fed up with you.
I'm upset.
Yeah. Huh?
Wala tayong nasasagot. Asok ka tayo dito.
Kasi galit
Hindi ka naman nakikinig.
You're not listening.
You not understand.
You're not listening.
Guys, wala na po tayong budget.
Tama na yan.
Stop it.
That's enough.
Ha?
That's enough.
Oh.
Sakto. 30
Agad na yan,
pesos.
Itigil mo yan.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Guys, wala na po tayong budget.
Ano bang ginagawa mo?
What
What
are
you're
you doing?
What the heck are you doing?
Ano na yung heck?
Siyempre wala.
Hindi siya dun.
Ay.
Sino ka ba sa tingin mo?
Who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are?
Eh.
Ano ba?
What your problem? Ay.
What? Ano ba?
Okay, di. What?
Ayaw ko makipag-usap sa'yo.
I don't
don't
talk
like-
to you.
Lock.
I don't want to talk to you.
Kawawa naman tayo. Bali-balian na yung pera natin.
Nililoko mo ba ako?
Are you
Are
kidding
you
me?
trying to fool me?
Are you kidding me?
Nadali mo. Talo ko dun ah.
Nakakabigo naman ito.
It's
This
frustrating.
is so frustrating.
Kaya wala ka first. Ay.
Eh, ano ngayon?
So what?
So what?
Guys, piso-piso na lang tayo ngayon. Wala tayong pera.
Bigay ka ba?
Are you deaf?
Are you deaf?
Guys, 20 pesos.
Bulag ka ba?
Are you
Are you
mad?
blind?
Are you blind?
Ano daw? Akala ko ba galit?
Bulag.
Bulag.
Lumayo ka nga sa akin.
Stay away from me.
Leave me.
Stay away from me.
Yeah.
Sakto.
Nakakainis ka.
You're so...
I
Annoying.
hate you.
Ay, ano ba yan? I hate you.
Huwag ka nang magsalita.
Don't talk anymore.
Stop talking already.
Okay, mali. Hindi. Mali ka eh.
Sakto, kailangan ano.
Tama na sabi.
I said
Stop it!
stop.
I said, stop it.
I said stop.
Okay.
Tumabi ka.
Move
Excuse
away.
me.
Step aside.
Ay.
Ba yan?
Huwag mong hintaying mapuno ako.
Ay,
Don't wait for me to lose my patience.
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 Ay, patience.
Patience.
Kala ka patience.
Punong-puno na ako sa'yo.
I'm fed up with you for 100 pesos.
I'm fed up of you.
Oh, of you pala. Pwede na yun.
Sawang-sawa na ako sa'yo.
Yan yun.
I'm so sick of you.
Sick.
So sick of you.
Humanda ka.
Get ready.
You better be ready.
Date nga daw kasi siya, te.
Ano bang iniisip mo?
What
What
are you
you're talking-
thinking
Ay.
about?
What are you
Thinking
thinking?
of?
Ito walang oh. Oh, wala.
Ano ba?
It's...
Nag-iisip ka ba?
Are you thinking?
Okay.
Are you even thinking?
Even thinking? Meron lang even.
Di ba?
Pwede
Hindi
na
ka talaga nag-iisip.
You're not thinking.
You're not using your head.
Ahead.
Last one. Hawakan mo na.
Kasalanan mo ang lahat ng ito.
It's all your fault.
fault.
Ah!
This is all your fault.
Akin! So,
Dapat kasi nakinig ka sa akin.
okay, stop mo na yun. That's all
Papaalam
for
na.
today. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye!
Diyan ka naman naman yung ulo ko eh.